So, we're moving forward. Welcome to this week's episode. I'm gonna be doing a little miscellaneous things. We're actually installing doors right now. We're gonna be installing doors that I didn't think we would be installing. Originally, the plan was refinishing the doors. We're gonna be installing paneling over here. I thought about doing shiplap, most likely gonna do that, and then doing all baseboard and trim, buying all the trim around the windows. Without further ado, please join me as I install doors by myself. Should be fun. Where we left off, hello, good day, how are you? We finished the doors, installed all the doors, went relatively smooth. Not done with the doors, definitely not done with the doors. I'm gonna be taking it off and then adding a little design, a little kick to it. Picked up all the trim, found a guy that sells at a discount. They're dirty, some of them are damaged, some of them kind of, you know, seen better days in the factory, but for the most part, the damages that are done to it, they're at the very end. I can hide them, I can cut them off. I usually give myself around 10 to 20% of play when I buy and purchase materials, just in case something, you know, you cut it wrong, you mess up, a piece is damaged. Just typical stuff. You never want to buy exactly what you need for that instance. Man, every single time I walk in this room, where's this? There you go, a little bit better. Every single time I walk in this room, I'm like, oh gosh, so much left to do. We're doing trim. I finished all the base trim except one piece. Now I'm moving to the window trim. Currently 203. Not PM. It's AM. And I usually don't really show this part in the series of this, but this is the reality. I've been doing a lot of masking. I'm at the point in this project where I just want to focus and be done. I mean, I definitely don't show this part because it's not fun. I'm not bragging that I'm staying this late to finish this house. Sucks, but I just wanted to be honest. I'm done. I'm drained out. I guess it means a lot that you watch the videos because it's a lot of work to do these videos and remodel a house that I've never done ever in my life. So I guess I wanted to say that. Hey! I spent 2 days masking the crap out of this house, and then I painted everything. Painted all the trim. Painted this little thingy over here behind me. That's my chair. I like to chill on my chair sometimes when I take breaks. The second thing is I spent so many days, 2 days masking the windows, the floors, everything, and just now I'm taking it all off. I did not finish one thing. I did not finish the doors. I still need to paint those. I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm adding a design to the doors. Very simple and minimal. It's just basically a line. I'm gonna use my router and just right in the middle. A bunch of lines. I saw the door that I wanted, and it wasn't super expensive, but I was trying to cut costs on doors because that was not in the original budget. So I was trying to find alternative, cheaper options, and so far this is the cheapest option. My door, per door, ended up being $70 per door, give or take. I got some discounts, so that was good. So yesterday, we did a lot of work. I'm going to put you guys down because I want to be able to paint all of the doors and the closets. But this is the outlook. This is what we're going for. So everything is prepped, nice. And check this out. I learned from mistakes. Dude, just get yourself a paint suit. You're golden. I'm not gonna show. Maybe when I'm out there I'll show you some painting, but I still love my camera, and so I don't want to get a bunch of paint on it. So in this room, you're just gonna have to trust me. I'm painting the doors. This is everything all nice and prepped up. Yesterday we painted all of the doors. Today we're installing the doors. I removed the doors and then labeled. It's very key because the door is specific to the opening. So, rule of thumb, if you want to take off and remove and do something, make sure you label your doors or else it may or may not fit when putting back. New door handles and Oh yeah, they are pleased. They are super sexy. Confession. So I just finished painting, and I was like, hey, what should I do next? What can I do next? And I was like, I really want to jump to the vanities, but then I was like, hey, really quick, I'm just gonna hang up all drywall and finish this room really quick. And then it ended up being not really quick, and it's taking me a lot longer than I anticipated. That's why I didn't take you through the products. I figured, hey, this is gonna be really quick. It's not really quick, and it's taking forever, but here we are at. But I wanted to show you something really cool. It's inside. Let's go inside. Okay, officially, shoes off. I got a package. What? I wanted to put it to the test, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and clean. I just want to say thank you, Super Clean, for sending me this out. It really means a lot. And with that, thanks for watching this week's episode. And until next time, BeeNeh.